Hi, this is the SONY Xperia XA2 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and here scroll down to the appearance section, tap to the wallpaper, and here you could select your new wallpaper from device album, live photos, Xperia home, live wallpapers. So let's select one from the default wallpapers. For example, we want to change only the lock screen, so select lock screen wallpaper, tap to one from the wallpapers, click select, apply, and that's it. Now just let's lock the device. And we could check and see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper now on SONY Xperia phone. So also we got one more way how we could do that. You should just first hold for a while home screen with your finger, then tap to the wallpapers icon, and by the same way select one from these available default wallpapers, or you could also use photos from your device gallery. So just select only the lock screen, to select one from the wallpapers, tap select, apply, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.